You want to try it in a sec, or? Let's go. Hey, it's getting better. So much different than like a regular dirt bike.
Maybe more Chinese.
Yeah, look at everyone outside right now. 450 Kenny. Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Pick that 150 up. And we're on the Thumpstar, as you can see. And we got a gang outside right now.
What gear you be in?
Second to third. I pick it up second usually and then pop it to third. You want to try it in a sec, or? I can hop on your 450? Yeah, just be.
I don't know. You ready for that?
You got to pull in the clutch to do the power start.
Which one, the green?
The green, yeah.
One down,
Yeah, it's like a normal bike. Alright, he's trying out the Thumpstar, bro. Homie shreds wheelie, so we're about to see if he can pop this thing up or not. And I'm on his 450 right now, if you're wondering. Yeah, bro. It's rough, bro. You really gotta like figure out that bike. There it is. Bro, that's crazy. Him going from the 450 to that bike is a lot different. Let's go. Hey, it's getting better. It's getting better.
It's like got that power, but then it's like, fall up on his face.
Yeah, it's like a linear, just like a linear sort of.
To get it back there a little bit.
Oh, for sure, bro. It's like you gotta clutch it up like crazy, and then you guys sort of just gotta keep it perfectly in that smooth. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel it though.
That's the first time I've seen someone like wheeling it though. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the brake too. Brake lever a little bit.
It's a little sketchy. You can't really feel it. It's like, yeah.
You couldn't feel it like you feel these.
No, yeah. Well, I mean, hey, bro, this is freaking on the other side of Japan, so you know that's where they made this.
Wheelies though.
It pops up, bro. You'll see me. I'll pop this thing up. Let's go. I think someone's coming in with a quad right now. Oh, we coming in. Let's go. Ah! Bro, you're so close. Bro. No, yeah, I feel you. I'm sketchy as hell on this Thumpstar, so don't worry, brother. Bro, look at these rims. Woo! Bro, that thing looks so sick. You got stretched tires on that bitch, bro. What the hell? There's a whole like one, man. I'm gonna pull this up real quick. I tweaked the Thumpstar. I changed the needle position, and bro, that helped so much. Like, look how much better it freaking wheelies. Like, I can bring it back, coasting, hit the gas, and it's there. Before, it would not be able to do that. Woohoo! But I'm still sketchy on this thing, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I have not gotten used to it. It reminds me of the DRZ because it's a little bit heavy. But it is fun though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it is a fun little bike to shred around. you got the stretch tires on the quad, bro. That's so gangster, bro. That's so sick, bro. You said you haven't ridden in a minute, or? Yeah. Shit, I'm sketchy too. This is like my second, third time on this bike.
I watched the video, bro.
Yeah, I fixed it out. Like I changed the pin. Like before it was stalling or bogging out when you did hit 12. But I changed like the needle on the carb, and that helped a little bit. But it's still, it's a tank, low key. It's good, bro. Chilling. How you doing? You got zip ties by chance or no?
I'm gonna check.
All right, bet. Let me know.
You got the new bike.
Bro, it's. I'll let you ride in a bit, and you can see. It's just, it feels just so much different than like a regular dirt bike.
Maybe more Chinese.
You ain't lying, bro.
I mean, shit. That should look fresh.
It sounds pretty gnarly though, like. But like the power is so linear. It's like a linear, like it's
like slower.
Slow, yeah. It's weird. You gotta get used to it. Let's see it. 450 KX, baby. Yes, sir. We all outside right now. Yes, sir. This is a Thumpstar 250, air cooled. You want to try it? Why not?
Because I don't want to bust my ass.
It's definitely, it's a weird bike getting used to. I can tell you that. It's a lot different than like just a regular Japanese 450. Like off-roading it, it's perfect.
It's push and kick?
Push and kick, yeah.
That's dope.
Off-roading it is like really good, but just the wheel skis, it's like, it feels, I don't know, a little awkward. Yeah. So, let's see that 150 work. Woo! We're coming on through. Bro, it makes me wish I had my 450 out here low key, bro. Let's go. Tuning that Banshee. Woohoo! Oh, hit the no-hitter and then scraped. Alright, we outside with the Thumpstar. As you can see, it's way, oh my god, 450 Kenny, bro. I ain't controlled on my Thumpstar yet, bro. You can't be slowing down in front of me. That turn though, bro, I don't know what's going on, but is my front wheel loose?